Ponta da Piedade is located in the municipality of Lagos, Portugal. It is one of the most iconic landmarks in the Algarve, and a true symbol of the natural beauty of southern Portugal's coastline. It offers some of the most impressive panoramic views over the Atlantic Ocean and the Bay of Lagos. Over thousands of years, the sea and the wind have shaped these golden cliffs, creating a unique landscape of rock formations, caves, natural arches, and sea stacks rising from the ocean. Every detail of the scenery reveals the power of nature and its balance with time. In this video you are going to see, from 8 viewpoints, a treasure shaped by time by the sea and the wind. A preserved natural beauty, one of the most photographed coastal areas in Portugal. Welcome to Driving Algarve YouTube channel. Here you can watch lots of videos of the Algarve, Portugal. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up icon below and share it in your social network. To be notified of other videos, hit subscribe and the bell icon. Keep watching, please. From the top of the cliffs, a coastal walking path follows the shoreline, connecting Ponta da Piedade to Dona Ana Beach. Along the way, several natural viewpoints provide different perspectives of the coast, with sweeping views over the turquoise waters that contrast beautifully with the warm tones of the rocks. The rock formations, many of them named after objects and figures, are one of the region's main attractions. Seen from above or from the sea, these natural sculptures make Ponta da Piedade one of the most photographed places in Portugal. Also, you can watch this beautiful seascape in 2 videos, from Lagos to Ponta da Piedade or back. The links are in the description. The natural light of the Algarve constantly transforms the landscape. Throughout the day, the colors change, highlighting the contours of the cliffs and creating plays of light and shadow that make every visit unique. At sunrise or sunset, the scenery becomes even more intense and breathtaking. Also, you can watch this beautiful seascape in 2 videos, from Lagos to Ponta da Piedade or back. The links are in the description. This is an ideal place for peaceful walks, nature observation, and photography. The sound of the sea, the gentle breeze, and the vastness of the ocean create an atmosphere of calm and connection with the landscape. Ponta da Piedade is also a starting point for boat and kayak tours, allowing visitors to explore the caves and admire the cliffs from sea level, offering a completely different perspective of this stunning coastline. Also, you can watch this beautiful seascape in 2 videos, from Lagos to Ponta da Piedade or back. The links are in the description. Between Ponta da Piedade and Dona Ana Beach, the coast of Lagos reveals itself as one of the most spectacular stretches of the Algarve, combining natural beauty, geological heritage, and a well-preserved environment. Visiting Ponta da Piedade is discovering one of Portugal's greatest natural treasures. A place where ocean and land meet in perfect harmony, creating a landscape that remains in the memory of all who experience it. Ponta da Piedade, a must-see location when visiting Lagos. A favorite destination for visitors from all over the world. The most beautiful coastal landscape in Portugal. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up icon below and share it in your social network. To be notified of other videos, hit subscribe and the bell icon. Keep watching, please. Thank you for watching until the end. If you would like to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. Also, give it a like to show your support and help the channel grow. Thank you very much.